Hello, good evening everybody. This is gas chromatograph GC 9000 model. Make is RMG mesh technique. The type EMC 500 is the transducer which is located near to the gas scrubber. From there the actual values of this gas parameters will be measured and transmitted through RS485 cable, communication cable. You can see at the back of this display. This is the RS485. Make phonics contact. Top two are the 24 volts and bottom are the signals coming from the sensor. And this is back of the gas chromatographer. And this is RS485. And those are analog outputs which will be given to DCS if required. This runs with 230 volts AC. This gas chromatograph GC 9000 model, we set it to measure superior calorific value, Wabi index, and inferior calorific value, standard density, relative density, and temperature at base condition and temperature at condition super calorific value. So before starting the unit, if you want to calibrate this one, you have to set your gas parameters, calibration cylinder parameter values you have to set here. Particularly that will be having some address. Here you can see this is the switch, toggle switch. If you select to input, you can feed your values like calorific value, Wabi index, and other temperature you can feed here. You can navigate through calibration and you can enter here the values like 5A1 9. See, A13 is superior calorific value. If you have that calibrated gas available with you, the parameters you have to enter here just by pressing these buttons, and after clicking the enter you can check. And A15 is Wabi index. A16 is Wabi index, A16 is Wabi index. And A19 is for standard density, that will be around 0.68 to 0.78. So we have set it 0.715. And A22 again relative density. This is a A22, we don't have A22, so leave it. And A25 is for inferior calorific. 25 also not there. So we have not mentioned the address. And A36 is for temperature, and A37 also temperature. A36 15 degrees, A37 15 degrees. After setting this, after entering, we have to calibrate by pressing GC mode to calibrate mode, and starting enter. By pressing enter you can start the calibration. These are the values which are loaded to the gas chromatography GC 9000. So this is our scrubber. One of the sample line from scrubber is fed to this transducer EMC 500. Just been seen in Negatrol RS485 cable, this one. And this is the measuring unit. You can see the make, type EMC 500, and analyzer type WOM02. This is for second gas families. And we have connected this calibration cylinder, gas cylinder. This top regulator is for calibration gas and bottom regulator is for sample gas inlet. We have to set the calibration and sample gas inlet for 0.5 to 3 bar. It should not be more than 3 bore. And if you see this electronic panel, this PCB which is having a heater in this, and those are solenoid coils. Depends on your selection at analyzer, this solenoid coils will act which gas it has to take, whether calibration gas or sample gas or test gas. You can see a test gas also, and all are connected to this one is a exhaust, a common exhaust from this different sensors. These three are the lines: calibration, sample and test. And the solenoid coils nearly it will operate 8 to 12 volts. And this is the pressure sensor, DP sensor. This is bypass flow. These are the vent lines from the regulators. We have set it to 0.3 to 5.5 to 3 bar. This is our calibration cylinder. 99.99% is methane. Thank you.